Hello everyone, I recently bought this Super 8 camera off Vinted and it only cost me about £9 in total, that's including delivery. So I don't know if it's working, they just popped it as is and untested. So here's the box. As you can see, you can tell it's from like the 1970s or even later. Let's see, can we actually find a date? That's the make, I'm guessing. It's a Halina PS300RD. So I'll try and find when these came out and pop it on screen. Let's open it up. I don't really want to damage the box that much. But as you can see, the box has been battered over the years. We have some foam. Oh, with the instructions. Damn. Oh wow, look at the old style instructions. So it comes with the instructions, looks like a strap. And what's this? 2 screws. I don't know what they're for, but we'll have a look. And then the actual camera itself. So let's move this out the way. So here it is. This one does have the zoom on it. And does it move? Oh my god, it's moving. The zoom is actually working. That is kind of rare, because normally they kind of seize up. This one is okay. We have the lock, and then click it, unlock, yep. That's the footage count, it's on 50 there. This here is the movie light plug, so this just unscrews, and when you screw it in, it pushes it down. Then I believe you can also just pop this in there as well. Normally they're missing, so it's kind of good that that's there. Let's do the moment of truth. Is there any batteries in here? Oh my god. Oh no, what? That there is super clean. Let's see, can I put a torchlight down there from my phone? That there is rather clean, I'm not gonna lie. Hardly any corrosion. Now the moment of truth is I need to put some batteries in it. And let's do that now. So I've got some batteries here. So that side has to be a plus, this side a minus. Press it down. That's actually looking the cartridge place. Very clean as well. Let's unlock it. Moment of truth. It's working. Let's check on the inside. Yep, it's working. Can we see some light coming through that? That is perfect. Yeah, so the plan is to take this on holiday with me, just to film the family holiday that I'm going on, because I thought filming on Super 8 will give it that nice nostalgic look, and that's what I want. Plus it's small enough to pop in your carry-on if you want to, and yeah, it's perfect. And I might shoot some other things with it as well, so look out for stuff on the channel soon.